consequences of firing your lawyer in Massachusetts. Good afternoon. My name is Neil Burns. I'm an attorney. I've been practicing law here in Massachusetts for approximately 40 years. And along with my partner, Rashan Jan, we represent victims of legal malpractice and personal injury. And I'm going to talk today, I've been asked to talk today about the consequences for firing your lawyer. What happens? There's some cases where you can't do it, especially particular criminal cases or some obscure areas of the law. But in general, personal injury type cases, for any general type case, you can fire your lawyer. But what are the consequences? Well, first of all, before you fire your lawyer, before you even think about it, think about talking to him or her, communicating with him or her. Texting doesn't work, try emailing. If emailing or texting doesn't work, try going into the office or making an appointment. Because a lot of times we find our intakes, our calls from potential clients, they're really just a failure to communicate. If that's not the issue, if the attorney has gone AWOL, if the attorney isn't doing what you want, if you're really concerned that the attorney's strategy or tactics are not what you want, not what you've agreed to, then absolutely consider firing them. Contact a new counsel, get your file, work on forging a new relationship with a new attorney. And we get these cases all the time. It happens a lot in personal injury cases, especially against the TV lawyers. Sometimes they're great, and sometimes they're just trying to push a settlement through, and it's just not working. So work on disengaging your lawyer. If you hire a new lawyer, that lawyer can get the file for you, can work to get updated on what's going on with the insurance company or the opposing side. If there's a case in suit, this could be problematic because what's coming up? What's the next court date? It's easy to look it up on the court files, the Massachusetts court dockets, but there could be a message from a judge that they want this to be tried next month, in which case hiring a new lawyer is problematic. There could be a new lawyer on the other side that you're not communicating with or your lawyer isn't communicating with. So get on top of your case. Be proactive. Communicate with your lawyer. If that doesn't work, hire a new lawyer. Work on engaging that lawyer, not just with a piece of paper, not just with a signature, but making sure they have the records, making sure they understand what the problem is. We get these all the time. It's not hard to do. It's not hard to hire a new lawyer, but you do have to be proactive, do some work, and make it happen. If you have any questions, if you want a free initial consultation, call Burns & Jan, 617-227-7423. Thank you.